Begin by sitting in a comfortable position. Let your palms rest in your lap facing upwards. And softly close your eyes. For now, take a nice deep breath in, stomach and ribcage fully expanding, holding your breath at the top. And when you're ready, let it all go with a long audible sigh. And at the bottom of that breath, repeat again. Stomach and ribcage fully expands at a pace that feels good to you, holding the breath at the top. And when you're ready, again, let it go with a sigh. And finally, one last time, at your own pace, breathing in through your nose, stomach and ribcage fully expand, holding it momentarily, perhaps even breathing in one more sip of air, and then dropping into this moment. Returning to a natural rhythm of breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth throughout the course of this practice. Tune into how your body feels after those 3 deep cleansing breaths. Do you notice invigoration? Take a moment to recognize that you are alive and feel grateful for this fact. You recognize in this moment that positivity is an inside job. You can seek it in the world around you, but until you commit to making it a habit within you, it will forever be something you are constantly trying to seek. Let's instead become an endless source of it. To begin, tune into the space in the middle of your chest and a couple of inches inwards. And this is your heart's energy center. In this space, you begin to see a glowing ball of golden light. You feel it extending out from your heart, flowing out into the space around you. And you recognize that your heart has the ability to extend love and positivity out into the world. It is the lens through which you can view everything. When you drop down into your heart and shine your heart's light on the world around you, you automatically have a more positive and uplifting perception of the world. Bring to mind a circumstance that perhaps you've been having difficulty seeing from a positive standpoint. Now imagine love pouring from your heart to this circumstance, washing over it with golden light. Say to yourself, I choose to see love in this. I choose to feel positivity towards this. And this is a choice I make. And now feel your heart light flowing freely from your heart out to the entire world, sending love and positivity everywhere where it's needed, and in doing so, you receive it back tenfold. You know that this source of love and positivity within you is endless and overflowing, and you stay forever committed to it. Take this connection to your heart and your endless source of positivity with you as you begin to slowly open your eyes back to the world around you, seeing it now through the lens of your heart.